everybody, it's Catherine. Today is my last project with the Potions and Spells bundle. The kit is available. There's 5 projects in the kit for $30 plus shipping, which usually, the shipping is usually between $5 and $6. And you will get the contents plus whatever it takes to make the box, except for the bundle. Okay, I will cut out all the labels for you and things like that, but I cannot send you the images and stuff like that from this set. Okay, so again, it's Potions and Spells bundle, and I'm also using Greetings of the Season dies for this die. And that's our label. Today is just a label, it's not a box, but I made these cute burlap bags that have some Halloween treats inside. This is our tag that we're going to make today. And then this burlap bag is a drawstring bag. And inside I just put some Halloween candy and a spider ring. Okay, so I will send you this bag already filled. And this is just a drawstring burlap bag that I got from Amazon, and this image I took from 2 different Cricut images and made it one to match the cat, not match the cat, but to make a cat on the pumpkin. This is my host code. The mini catalog went live last week, and if you're going to purchase from me under $150, not including your shipping and tax, please put that host code in. Oops, I forgot that. All right, so this tag measures about 3 7/8 by 1 7/8, and it has a space so you can write to from on the back if you want to. I'm using the paper I got from my stash and obviously some gorgeous grape and some granny apple green there, and then some of the white shimmer paper. So what we need is some basic white cardstock. We need 2 of the labels, which I will send you. One from this pattern paper I got, and one from Granny Apple Green. We need the round bottle cut out of Granny Apple Green, and I cut the contents out of the white shimmer paper. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is attach these tags together with liquid glue. You could use Stampin' Seal if you wanted to. And I'm putting the wrong sides together. Okay, so we'll let that dry and we'll do some stamping. So we need our basic white and some Tuxedo Black ink. And we're going to cut out to stamp the cat and the stack of books. Okay, and I'm going to cut these out with the Potions and Spells dies. Alright, now I'm using 6 markers, all dark: Pumpkin Pie, Granny Apple Green, Bubble Bath, Daffodil Delight, Highland Heather, and Smoky Slate. So let's do the Smoky Slate first. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go over these lines that the artist made for us. And then when we go over them again, when we color the whole thing, they become a little bit darker. Okay. And actually, before I finish the cat, the rest of that, I'm going to do the eyes with the Granny Apple Green. And the nose with dark Bubble Bath. Alright, and then I'm going to finish the rest of the cat with the dark Smoky Slate. Okay, and that's our cat. And now for the books, I'll use dark Highland Heather for the bottom book here. For the next book, I'm going to use dark Daffodil Delight. Okay, the next one I'm going to use the dark smoky slate, and the top one is going to be pumpkin pie. And that is our images. Alright, now we need our label, and we're going to put the hole on this side. And let's put our books on there with dimensionals. And I'm going to put it as far to the left as I can get it. And then we're going to put the bottle together with liquid glue. And then I'm going to glue that on top of the books, and just a tiny bit underneath the books, and that'll kind of give a kind of an illusion that it's back farther on the books. Alright, and then for the cat, we're going to put him with a little bit of his tail hanging off and a little bit of his paws. So I'm going to cut some edges. And I'll put it about a 1/4 inch down from the top of the cat's tail. And then on his legs too, I'll put some edges. Okay. And we're going to try to just split. I have a little bit sticking off I want to cut. And we're going to try to split how much of the paws and the top are sticking off. Okay, then we're going to use about 24 inches of ribbon. And I'm just going to loop that through. Okay. And then we have our bag. And I'm going to have it kind of on the side here. So I'm going to go around the back once and then tie a bow at the front. Okay. And for the final touch, we're going to take some of these gems. And I'm going to put a large, well, I think these are actually medium ones, right here, and then a small one up there, and then another medium one on that yellow book. And that's it. Okay, all of my info is below. If you would like to buy the 5-box kit, just send me an email with your PayPal address and your mailing address, and you will get the supplies and the contents of all 5 boxes. All right, have a great day. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye.